Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 12, 13 and 14 of Surah Muzamil. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن لدينا أنكالا وجحيما وطعاما ذا غصة وعذابا أليما. In Hamza is a very sharp sound. For Kasra, give E sound and attach with Noon, and Noon will get sifa of Gunna. And Gunna is to keep keep the sound in your nose, and this is Akmal Gunna, so you are keeping sound in the nose for a longer period of time. In this is Gunna, and Fatha is short. Na inna la is short. They this lean. It will take 2 counts long and time, and it should be very soft. You are giving a nice time on fatha, the and joining with ya uh, with joining with ya with a very soft touch. They for fatha, open your jaws very well and then attach with ya. They na. This is mad munfasil jaiz, and it should be 4 counts long. Ladaina. Hamza is sharp and short, and for fatha, open your jaws. And noon has ikhfa over here. And in ikhfa, what you will do, you will not pronounce noon at all. You are going towards the makhraj of kaf, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. This is what ikhfa is. Ka is light, and it's 2 counts long because it is mad tabi'i, original mad, and alif, and before alif you have fatha. Wow, you should have dhamma, and before ya, you should have kasra. These are the 3 natural mudud in the Quran. So this is number 1 combination. So you will make it 2 counts long. Ka, laun, this is idgham with gunna. You are merging tanween into waw, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Laun, and for fatha is very short, and circle your lips to pronounce waw. Wa, ja is short, as waw is this way. Waw is short, jim is short. Wa, ja, he is 2 counts long, and then after applying mad iwad, you will keep ma 2 counts long. وجحيما إن لدينا أنكالا وجحيما. To pronounce wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. To is heavy, so we'll write capital H, and capital H stands for heavy letter. Ain should be from your throat, and it is 2 counts long because it matches the first combination of mad tabi'i. Natural mad, where the combination of natural mad is alif, and before alif you find fatha. So look here, it is. This is alif, and before alif there is a fatha. So you are making it 2 counts long. This is ikhfa. You're keeping the sound of tanween in your nose and going towards the makhraj of dal, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. The is 2 counts long because this is alif, and for alif you find fatha. So this is 2 counts long. The غصة. Ghain is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with sad. Sad will get rakhawa. It will get safir. غصة. For fatha, fatha is very short. Tiyu. This is idgham with gunna. Idgham with gunna. Tiyu. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. And for waw, circle your lips. Huwa, a, ain from your throat. And this is short. Wa, a, the. That is 2 counts long, and make sure you engage a right makhraj of dal, and this is when you are touching the edge of your tip of your tongue under the edge of the frontal 2 teeth. This is the articulation point for the ben. This is ibhar, and ibhar will get sifa of tawassut. Ben hamza is sharp. It should be from the last part of your throat. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound should be very short and sharp. Li is 2 counts long. Ma, this we are applying mad iwad. We are exchanging the sound of tanween into mad. So this is called mad iwad, and it should be 2 counts long. Alima. Yow. Yeah, it's very soft letter. You are lifting your tongue towards the upper palate, but it's not touching it. So, and for fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow, and this is lean, which will take 2 counts long sound. Yow, ma is short. Ta is light and ra is heavy. Make sure you keep the ta light, because whenever there is a heavy letter, we tend to make the letters beside it heavy too. But we should be very much careful about it. So make ta light. Ta ra is heavy, and it will get sifa off. Tawassut. Why it's heavy? Because ra is with sukoon. Whenever ra is with sukoon, we have to check the letter before it. If it is with fatha or dhamma, we have to make a ra heavy. So it is heavy. Ta is light, ra is heavy, and ra is with tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. The sound should flow medium, in medium way. Ju, for jim is short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Full. Give hums in fa. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Full. Keep it saying this sound is tawassut. Full. Aw. Hamza is sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with the ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and it is heavy because you find fatha before second ra. Aru. For dhamma, circle your lips. Dod is heavy, and the sound is short. Bu. Well. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Well. And for lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, because len omar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Len omar, yes. And lam is one of the letters of len omar. Well, G is short. For kasra, give e sound. Ba, 2 counts long. Lu, for dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Wal jibalu. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ka, 2 counts long. And ka, a kaf is light letter. It's not heavy. Wa ka, na is short. Il, make sure for kasra, give e sound. This e sound should be there. It shouldn't be dropped even if you are attaching it with the letter coming up. Il, it is T. When you say any letter with kasra separately, it's always good. You do very well. But when it comes, the situation comes that when you have to attach it with the letter coming up, then it tends to be dropped. So be careful. If it's T separately, it should stay T even if it's being attached. Il, ba kasra b, and if it bil, ja kasra g, and if it is attached with lam, jil, til, it's t and then lam. Til, wa kana, Til. Jim is short. Ba, 2 counts long. Lu is short. And circle your lips for lam. Jibalu. Ka is short and kaf is light. Fi, 2 counts long. Bam. This is idgham with gunna. You are merging the sound of tanween into meme and keeping sound in your nose. This is idgham. Dam. Ma is short. He, 2 counts long, because it matches the last combination ya sakina, and before ya sakina there is kasra. Look, there is ya, and before ya there is kasra. Mahi, and then there is mad arid, mad iwad. You are extending the sound of tanween into mad letter, so it is 2 counts long. Mahila. يوم ترجف الأرض والجبال وكانت الجبال كثيبا مهيلا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.